There are a bunch of HDBs that are right in between Bugis and Orchard Road, and it's under 1 kilometer radius away from 7 different MRT stations. Let's find out how much it costs to live in a property like this and the price movement over the last 10 years. So the HDB at Seligi Road has a 99-year tenure starting from 1974 with a remaining lease of 49 years. And in the last 10 years, as you can see from 2014 onwards, prices are ranging from 390 to 370, 355, 318, 340, so on and so forth. Fast forward to today, we can see that the highest ever transacted was 788,000 because this was an adjoint flat. And if you take into consideration the 3-room HDBs, you can see that they are transacting at 380, 500, 365, 400 and 310,000, so on and so forth. So you can say there has been a slight appreciation on this HDB even though it has a remaining lease of 49 years. So let's find out what it means if you had bought a 3-room flat over there 10 years ago and the price range of $400,000. Buying a flat at Seligi would set you back about $400,000, which also means you need to come up with an outlay of $112,000, which includes a 25% down payment and a 4% stamp duty, and you would have to take up a $300,000 outstanding loan, which is 75% of $400,000, and the cost of interest over 5 years would amount to $34,731.55. And taking a loan of $300,000 also means that you will be paying a mortgage of $1,345 per month. Now, assuming you spend $50,000 to renovate this property, so your break-even cost on the 5-year mark would mean taking your $50,000 plus your $34,731 plus all the miscellaneous costs that you've sunk into the property. So you take the total amount, divide by 5, divide by 12. It will cost you about $1,412 every single month to be living in this property. And the interest you would have accumulated over staying in this property for 10 years would be $63,342.45. And going along the same calculation method, the cost of you living in this property over 10 years would be $941.52. So even if you had bought this property at $400,000 10 years ago and you're selling it at $400,000 today, the cost of living in such a central location would only set you back $941.52.